Great morning, student. Today we are going to discuss our back exercise of chapter number 2. Our chapter name is Understanding Window 10. So in this window we have discussed what is a window. Window is an operating system that interact with user and interface. Okay, so after that we are discuss here advantage of the window. There are so many advantage. It's a user friendly, and next we discuss here about the window component. They in window have the different types of component. Today we are continue solve back exercise. So let's student continue. Now we continue our chapter number 2, understanding window 10. So now we discuss here back exercise. Back exercise first is filling the blanks. Now we discuss here filling the blanks. So our first fill up is Microsoft Window is an. What is that? Is answer is operating system. Now next is our to customize the desktop, right click on the blank area and select the option. Means customize desktop. How can you create a customized desktop? मतलब अपना कैसे create कर सकते हो आप desktop? So firstly you go which option? That answer is personalize. That answer is personalize. Now our next question is in the folder you can store digital photos, image and graphics. Digital photo means GIF, like that images where you store. So in your window you can store your pictures in picture folder. So that is inbuilt folder in a window. So we use store your picture in picture folder. Now our next question is, our first question is the dash are the graphical image that give a quick access to the related application. So dash is the graphical image that give a quick access to the related application. That is application icon. जो हमारे छोटे छोटे icon बने होते हैं, that are the application icon. Okay, now we going to next slide. The dash feature minimize all the open window except the one that you want to focus on. So that is answer is arrow shake. मिनिमाइज ऑल द ओपन विंडो मीन्स सभी विंडो को एक साथ ही मिनिमाइज करना है, आपको छोटा करना है. तो हाउ कैन वी डू? दैट इज एरो शेक ऑप्शन. ओके, नाउ our B part, state true or false. So our first true false is the first edition of Windows operating system was introduced in 1998. So our first edition of Windows operating system was introduced in 1985. So that is this true false is wrong. Answer is false. Now our next is Windows 10 is the latest version of Windows. So Windows 10 is our latest version of Windows. That is true. हमारा जो Windows है, Windows 10 है, वही हमारा latest version है. Now next is Bill Gates is the founder of Microsoft Access. True. सो बिल गेट्स जो है वही हमारे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट के फाउंडर हैं. सो दैट इज आंसर इज ट्रू. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज विंडो 10 अलाउज द यूजर टू क्रिएट मोर देन वन डेस्कटॉप एट अ सेम टाइम. सो दैट इज आंसर इज ट्रू. जो विंडो 10 है हम एक ही टाइम पे बहुत सारे डेस्कटॉप ओपन कर सकते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज you cannot resize a live tiles. So that is answer false. We can't live their tiles. Now next is the peak button is located at the right end of the taskbar. That is ट्रू, जो पीक बटन होता है वो हमारा राइट साइड में ही होता है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन आंसर. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज आवर. Riya want to check the weather condition of her hometown. Suggest the app that she can use to do this task. So Riya can use the weather app. Riya कौन सी ऐप यूज करेगी वेदर के लिए? वेदर ऐप. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज कृतिका हैज़ मेड हर कंप्यूटर प्रोजेक्ट. कृतिका क्या है? कंप्यूटर प्रोजेक्ट बना रही है. शी सेव्ड इट ऑन हर कंप्यूटर विद द नेम माई प्रोजेक्ट. उसने अपने प्रोजेक्ट का नाम दिया है माई प्रोजेक्ट. बट फॉरगेट द लोकेशन ऑफ द फाइल. सजेस्ट द बेस्ट वे फॉर हर सर्च द प्रोजेक्ट. मीन्स कृतिका हैज़ मेड अ कंप्यूटर प्रोजेक्ट. उसने एक कंप्यूटर प्रोजेक्ट बनाया है, उसका नाम दिया है माई प्रोजेक्ट. बट she forget that where she saved that project. So where she search, she can use search box. She can use, then she can find their project. So I hope you understand all the back exercise, student. Thank you. Have a nice day.